Well done, Joe! Good save, Joe!
Good start, Yellow's getting the ball down first. You don't stop, let's keep this going. Just keep the work rate up. Let's go. Keep going off. Off the way. Well done, Wayne. Well done. Who's in there? Let's run. On there. Time. Relax. Oh, sorry, Wayne. Come on! Yes! Win that. Well done. Sit on. Keep working on, come on. He's going. Don't foul. Yeah, John. Adam! Get on here! Seconds again, Lindo. Yes, second, boys. Hey, come on, let's keep going. Come on, let's go.
Just push on one, Dave. Just push on one, Solomon. Stay with the centre half. Push on one. Play three at the back. Just push on one. That's it. Dave, push on one, Dave. For fuck's sake. Montel, get them to run them away. Get them to run them inside. Not too wide, Montel. Take him out of the picture, Rahil. Run inside, all three of you, run inside. Go on, Khalil, run inside. Oh. Why do you want to stand there, Khalil? I don't understand, Khalil, I don't understand. Khalil.
Where are we? Let's set! Coming down, boys. Sam, do beyond. Stay the same. Yeah, and the two far. Squeeze. Stop going in. There's all behind you.
Run him inside, Jade. Go away. Kieran's feet then.
What's out? What's out?
Relax. Turn out. Hey, Jade, I tell you what though, you're lucky boys, I'm telling you, liven up, all of them, all of you, you're not good enough yet, come on, better. It's a good goal, but we've got to be better, guys. Started poorly, come on. Just keep your shape, Jade. Keep your shape. Keep your shape. Keep your shape, Jade. Good boy. Off the front arm, man. Yeah.
Sunglasses out for the second hole.
Wait, one toe! John, back in! Come on, stop, John! How's that, John? Switch on, Tom! Switch on!
Man on. Drop in, Armand. Well done, Solly. Go on, Solly, make a run, Solly, on the shoulder. Go on. Stay running now, Montel. Talk to him, Jade. Talk to him, Jade. Talk to him, Jade. He's offside though, ref. Montel, you have to do the 11. You mark the 11. Half and half, Jay, so if he gets out to him, you can come off the front of Montel's man. Squeeze him up. Well done, Montel, mate. Playing your front foot, Jade. Because they're playing with wing backs, he can come out, but he might get there a bit late. So it's important you switch from the other side. So as he comes out to impressive, his touch goes backward. You can come off the front of the wing back because you've got no fullback. Because the wing back's playing high. Feet and back. Hold! Well played, Solly. Shot the line. That's all right. Nathan, why are you so deep? Safe, you got to stay with the wing back, son. Jade, can you tell Nathan that he's too deep when they've got the ball for the back, because Safe's got to mark the wing back when it comes onto him, but Nathan's going too deep. Armand, Safe's got to mark the wing back when he comes high. Nathan's coming back too deep. Nath, you don't have to track the wing back all the way back if Safe's spare. We need you to get pressure on them higher.
Again, stay with your man. Let him turn again.
Montel, tell Safe they're playing with wing backs, so he can't expect Nathan to come all the way back with him. He's got to mark him, the wing back. Go on, Montel, go and get it. Go on now, put it in. You drag 3 out. There you go. You drag 3 players out. Don't let it bounce. Oh dear.
Don't worry, come on.
Out to the ball! Out to the ball! Get him up! You're ambling! Offside. He's offside. Montel, let him kick it, Montel. Montel, get in, quickly. Montel, get in. Joe, it's important that we understand they're playing 3-5-2, right? So they've got wing backs that are going high, but they've got a part the wingers can't track them all the way back because then the third centre half gets all the time on the ball. If we push three up when they've got the ball, press them, they'll give the ball away. The fullback can take the wing back when he comes high, and the winger can press their third centre half. Free at the back. You've got to tell him I can't shout from here all the time, can I? He doesn't need to track back all the time. He's starting too deep. What I mean is, Joe, Nathan's starting like 5 yards in front of safe. He can be higher, so if they switch the play and it goes to the third centre half, he can get out. Stay on your feet, delay, delay. Stay on your feet, delay. Delay, stay on your feet. Good boy. Well done, Montel, done enough. What's the two there? There's two there. No, man, not too far, man, drop in. Oh. Brilliant, Jade. Second ball! Get it wide. Where are you turning into the man for, Khalil? Well done, Joe. Good save, Joe. Gamble, gamble, Montel. Gamble, gamble, Montel. Gamble, gamble, Montel. Good boy, finish. There you go. Joe, well done, great kick. Montel, you can thank me later. You can thank me later. Huh? You can thank me later. You didn't think he was going to miss it? If I hadn't shouted at you, you would have stopped. Solly, stand on the halfway line. Jade, Jade, stand higher, higher. Tuck in, Montel. Tuck in, Montel. Montel, tuck in.
Yes,
Out to the ball, Montel. Watch your runner now. Stay on your feet. Just let him run out of ideas. Out we get. Get out to the ball, Jade. Get out to the ball, Jade. Shut the line as you press. Shut the line. Go on now with it. No advances there, ref. Jade, Jade, Jade. Go right round the back. Right round, they miss it, everyone will miss it. Head for the back post. Jade! That's what I'm screaming! My quote, and I re-quote, everybody will miss it! Jeez! Pressure! Pressure! Set it up! Winger! Number 10! Set it up! Get together! Go forward a bit, Montel. Go forward a bit, Montel. You're too close. Back off. Back off. Shuffle across quickly. Take the back of the 7, Jade. Be aware of the wing back, Montel. Gamble! He ain't meant to do it, is he? Jade, 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 stay high, they'll switch it, stay there, stay there, stay there, they're going to come back out. Okay, now stay where you are, you all right? Be aware, Montel. Jade, Jade, half and half because the 11. Half and half. That's all right, not away, not away. Not away, Jade. Montel's got to deal with him. Montel, be aware of the 11. Solomon! You're half asleep, Sol. Time. Hook it on. It's got to go long, Monty. Good boy. Get up! Squeeze! Keep getting up! Go on! Go on! Go on! There you go. Well done, Jade. Well done, Solly. Well played, Jade. Well played, Nathan. Well played, Kieran. Joe, you need to keep barking at them the whole game. This game's not over. You'll keep talking to the back two, the three now. Go on, he can go tight to him if he wants to. Got a spare one there still. Talk! There you go, now you win it! Come on, safe!
They've had 3 shots from the same place, no one closing down. Yeah, this way! Charlie, great saves, but then go for this one. Get them closing down.
Rahil, go ahead, kick it over here. 2v1. 2v1. It's a 2v1 there, Joe. Good boy. Go on, go with it. Go with it, Montel. Flick it. Good boy. Go on, you're out. Go on. Go on. Well done, Joe. Come on. Are we attacking safe? It's a 3v3. Sprint, Jade. Jade, sprint. Get in narrow, Jade. Get in narrow. Don't dive in. Don't dive in. Keepers. Montel, it's coming. Go on, drive. Drive. Be positive. You're going to show, Solly. Show. Hold. Hold. Hold the thing. Go on, Sol. Go on, keep it. Go on, press. Push up. Lock down. Next one. Come on, guys, urgency. Stay there, Jade. Stay with the middle one. Solomon, Nathan, stay with the other centre half. Don't have to drop so deep so quickly, guys. Now get round. Drop. Hook it, over your shoulder, hook it, first time. Good boy. Go on again, Bo! Joe, think about this. They're playing 3 at the back. We've got 3 up, quite high. So it's on to kick it quick quite a lot of the time. Yeah, but not just look first, but it could be on a lot. Their wing backs are really high. So keep looking forward first. Because I don't know if you noticed, but we scored from your goal kick. Did you notice we scored the 3rd goal from your goal kick? Right. Montel, you've got to shift them over one a little bit. Get arm hand to screen in front. One up, free drop. Toby, don't worry about him. Just go and head the ball, son. You're 6'4". Get in line with the ball and head it. Go on, step in. Good. Step in time. Start again. Come on, Nath. Recovery run, Nath. Go on, second ball. Stay on your feet, just show him that way. Now drop it, that's right, that's right, that's all right. Jade, stay right back, Jade. Jade, stay right back, Jade. Get across on his touch. Get across. Up! Pressure on the ball, guys! Solly, retain possession. That's it, retain possession. Arm hand. Retain it, turn. Keep the ball, just keep it. Keep it, Jade. Keep it. There you go, relax. Keep it. Keep it. Simple pass, simple pass, simple pass. Unlucky, Khalil's a good run. Khalil, okay. Khalil, it's the right thing to do, son. Yeah, I know, but then just have a word with him in a minute. Good boy, Toe. Solly, acknowledge Khalil's run because he made a really good run. Jade, Jade, get Montel to mark him. Squeeze! Ref, you've had a nightmare there. Montel, you do the 11. Turn. Keep it. Stronger, Montel. Don't dive in. Good. Can we keep it, Khalil? Keep it. Keep it. Our man. Our man. Our man. Turn. Keep it. Keep it. Just keep the ball, guys. Go on. Great ball. Squeeze. Second ball. You can't get up. Rahel. Rahel. Once it goes, we got to go. Once he plays it, now we've got to get the midfield up. Good boy, Tobe. Up we get. Don't let him turn. Stay there. Let's stay shut. Go on, press. Shut the line. Get up! Up! Hold. Look after it. Keep it. Keep it.